Data replication is at the center of the Shadowbase product portfolio. It is important to monitor and correct data in order to detect and resolve improper behavior, ensure continuation of proper business operations, and comply with audit and regulatory requirements. A backup database or second copy of data is worthless unless it is correct, consistent, and a complete replica of its source database or data. The Shadowbase Compare and Repair software suite provides the capabilities necessary to meet these needs. Shadowbase Compare validates that a target database matches its source and reports all discrepancies found between them. For example, discrepancies may occur when an initial load of a target environment is not complete, a user accidentally misconfigures the replication environment, or purges required audit trails or change logs. The operations staff accidentally configures their application environment to update the target database copy instead of the source database copy, or employee misconduct, malware, or data tampering occurs. Shadowbase Compare should be run when a database is created or loaded, and periodically afterwards. These comparisons create multiple synchronization points where the data is confirmed to be correct, which creates a reference point that greatly simplifies subsequent data tracking, analysis, and resolution if future comparisons return a discrepancy. Shadowbase Compare is easy to add into existing architectures and can run while normal business operations occur, with no disruption to normal IT services. Both source and target databases remain online for continuous application and data processing, while the comparison and verification of database consistency occurs. Shadowbase Compare includes special logic to manage temporary data discrepancies, called false positives, which occur due to replication latency. Shadowbase Compare supports many replication architectures. For example, in an active-passive architecture, it identifies any accidentally omitted files or tables, or an application running against the backup database instead of the production database. Shadowbase Compare uses sophisticated data compression algorithms to reduce the total network traffic and improve the speed of comparisons. It also supports deselecting certain columns from the comparison, such as when comparing the original and new data for an SQL database SQL change upgrade. Shadowbase Compare is highly recommended for validating every replication environment, including like-to-like HPE Nonstop and Scribe files and SQL tables. Validation provides confidence and certifies that the source and target databases match at all times and can be run on demand with minimal system overhead. Shadowbase Compare is a standalone product that works with any data replication engine, including environments without a data replication engine. For SQL comparisons, it also includes the Shadowbase Repair function. When a discrepancy is found between the source and target databases, the repair function is used to correct these differences. Use Shadowbase Compare and Repair software to validate that your source and target data accurately match in any replication architecture for continuously running business operations. Contact us today and learn how Shadowbase Compare and Repair can benefit you. Hewlett Packard Enterprise globally sells and supports Shadowbase solutions under the name HPE Shadowbase.